On behalf of ExpertVillage here at Jean Paris, this is Gloria Van Workum, and I'd like to talk to you about people wearing wigs and feeling comfortable in them. I'll tell you an experience that I had one time. I wear wigs, and I wear them all the time, and I wear them for convenience because I have so many things going, and I just need to get up in the morning, put my wig on, and go. And I started wearing wigs when I was on vacation. I was in Florida, and we were going on a cruise, and it was, I thought, well, I have to have a wig because I had an experience where I didn't have a wig. And I went into a beauty salon, had my hair done, and didn't like it, and I had to go back and redo it again. So I found that wearing a wig, going on a trip is wonderful, but I wear them all the time, just for the convenience of it. I do have hair, but I wear them all the time. I found that a lot of times if you see somebody that has a wig on and you tell them it looks beautiful, they're very happy with it. If they want to tell you that they have a wig on, then that's fine. Let them tell you. But don't ever approach them and say, oh, I love your wig. Because that's just not acceptable. People don't like that. They get very offended by it. I had an experience once when I was at a department store, and it was during the Christmas holidays, and it was just packed with people. And I had a little fellow that used to come into my work and change my air vents. And I seen him all the way across, and he yelled out, "Hey!" And of course everybody turned and looked at me, and it didn't bother me because I wear wigs and I sell wigs, so it didn't bother me. But if it would have been one of my clients, they would have been very offended by it. So you just have to be very careful when you see someone that you think if they have a wig on, just tell them it looks nice or don't say anything at all. That's the best way you can do it. Because I know how I felt, and like I said, I didn't feel bad and didn't take offense to it because I wear the wigs and I sell them, so I wouldn't. But there's a lot of people that do. So just be real careful with people when you're around them and they're wearing wigs, because some people have to wear them.